Welcome to Brobench videos. In this video, we're going to go through Apex module in Brobench. Apex module is used to run anonymous Apex, setting different various logs, saving the scripts, and then recalling the history of execution. You can access the module by going to the app menu, click on the modules, and then the Apex. When you open it, it's gonna see this particular layout. So on the left side, you have a saved scripts on the collection tree, and you can see all the various scripts that you have saved, and then a tree folder. On the right side, you have an editor. So there is a single editor for the Apex, which you can use to author any of the scripts. On the bottom, you have the results that shows up when you execute a particular script, whether it is successful, error, and the debug log associated with the execution if it is successful. So let's go run the query. So let's say you can run the query by the script by clicking on this execute, or you can right click on that and select this execute option. As you can see, there's a shortcut with the control enter, which you can use as well. So in this case, I'm going to use the button and execute it. And you can see that it has executed and shown the result with the debug log. You can set the level of the debug log, varying whatever that you want. For example, in this case, I had selected none, but you can set to default, if you want to. This is a default level, and then after that, if you run, you would see a different, the debug log with that. In the debug log, you can filter lines. For example, let's say you want to search for any line where the socle appears, or in the event lines. Or you can enable only the debug mode. So in this case, it will show only the debug lines for easily to see that data that you're looking for. Or you can use this one to search for a particular string, or you can use this to word wrap the content, and as well as this one to copy the content of the debug log. You can author multiple scripts, and because there could be a lot of scripts, so if you don't select it, it will run the current paragraph. In this case, for example, let's say I put the cursor here. Let's go and copy a few more lines like this. Now, if I keep a cursor here and then run it, so it will run this particular 2 lines because that's the current paragraph. Okay, but it doesn't select. But if you want to run with the blank lines, you would have to select the script and then run the whole thing. So you can, in this case, the whole selected script is executed. You can save the script. You can click on this, and then you can add the new script, and then you can specify the folder. When you specify a folder, when you specify save the script, you can also specify that if it is in a favorite. If it is a favorite, it will show up in this favorite menu. Okay, so let's go and add a script. Okay, sample debug. You can enter the folder. You can enter different folder segments separated by a slash character. So let's say default demo. Give some description, and then the scripts that you want to run. So in this case, let's say I want to run 1 and then 2, for example. You can also select this checkbox, confirm before execution. Okay. So that if a script contains some mutable operations like editing, deleting, and updating, what have you, by specifying this, you get an extra confirmation before the script is executed, to safeguard. Okay, so you can specify that. In this case, default demo sample debug. Okay, so when you click on it, so because we had specified to confirm the execution before running, so it gives you that, are you sure you want to execute the script? Context, this has some debug statement. So this is the message that you had entered, and it's prefixed as a context, what the context is. So that it gives an idea, hey, what the script is going to do, and then you can take some action based on that. So if you go and execute it, and then it will run the script, and then if you enable debug only, you would see there are 2 statement lines. You can edit the script by going here, click on the edit, and then you can change the script. For example, this is sample script 2. If you save it, okay, so it will get saved, okay, and then you can run it, and then it'll show the script. So the content of the editor is automatically saved when you execute or periodically. But if you wanna, let's say you're gonna close the tab, you wanna make sure the content is saved. You can click on this icon, save changes. It will save the changes at that particular point in time. You can expand and collapse the saved script panel by using this particular icon, so that it gives a more space area for your editor if you would like. You can use this mini map to easily scroll or reach particular area of the script that you have specified. Okay, so you can search for it, and then you can go there. Okay. To search within that, you can do Control F, and that will bring up this search control, and then you can search whatever that you're looking for to navigate to that particular area of the editor. Okay, so this is about the Apex execution in Brobench. Thank you.